Chongden.
Commissioner but Secretary Jangka Revenue and Disaster Management Sanjay Goyal Ulapentip siya Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Sangma Henen kesngi bagi la penlong ya kecingyalang Kaba Kejala Keladep dan Pynkhreh lada cia kijing tua kendau bat kijing ucor kani ka ayam liur. Habakren Shikilat Patai Kubor Goyal Ulaong Bakatanat State Disaster Management Kalalong Kabala Pynkhreh Kaba Kaladon Kecingya Peliu Jingmut Baman Lakapor Bat Ki Deputy Commissioner Ki Badai Ki Shongkonor Halaki Jong Ki District Disaster Management.
On the issues of the forthcoming monsoon, which is this monsoon. So we are all prepared. It was a detailed meeting held by all the departmental heads of critical departments like forest, PWD, PHE, health. So all those departments which are relevant in terms of the relief operations as well as in terms of taking any activity which relates to either the blockade of the road or any other such event.